Alright, the first thing I think we should do is inside our thumbnail field. Let's head in and use disk public so that the image actually stores in the public. The second thing we want to do is we want to make a PHP artisan, make livewire pages.article page. Let's PHP artisan optimize just so that it actually updates the root. So we need to use article page in here instead. In this component, we're going to use view, and we're going to have a public article. And then in article page, we're going to essentially utilize what we have from articles show. And there you go. We have an articles page. The first thing we want to do is we want to change this to an article tag. We're going to have div in here. That's going to be for image and title. Div in here for the content. Now, what we want to do up here is essentially have a class of space y5. We want to have a h1 in here for class text to Excel. Then we want to have article title. We're going to have an image in here, article thumbnail. Make sure you add some custom alt text so the user can add that in. Let's just have that on our new line. Class of rounded, aspect, auto, there we go. And then let's add in up here max width 5 pixel, mx auto, and p5. And for the image, let's add a p4 for now. Oh, sorry, not a p4, sorry, an m4. Actually, no, let's just leave it like that. See how it looks. Yeah, that's great. So let's have a space y5 in here. There we go. The next thing we want to do is to make sure that it renders correctly is we want to have pros, and for dark mode, pros invert. Now, in your package.json file, you will need to have typography required. And then once you've done that, in your app.css file, add the plugin Tailwind typography. This will now properly render it. So for your filament block, just to make sure that this looks neat, let's add in a dark mode here at least for text gray 900. There we go. Let's have in a width full. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and take a look. We've already now got a lot nicer article page in here. And yeah, basically that's it.